Do you ever scroll past news about democracy being in danger and think, what am I supposed to do about that? You're not a politician, you're just trying to make rent. But here's the thing, our civic systems don't stay strong because of who's in the White House or Congress. They stay strong because of people keeping local systems running every day. Across the country, small acts are holding civic life together. Arizonans donating food and supplies to local pantries while the federal government shutdown drags on. Residents rallying to protect their immigrant neighbors in the face of increasing ICE raids. Even people having honest conversations with those they disagree with. Voting is still the foundation, the most visible way to participate. But experts say what happens between elections may matter even more. Organizing, volunteering, and staying informed so power stays accountable. Democracy doesn't just exist in Washington. It exists in every community that chooses to stay engaged. And while headlines often focus on what's breaking, this is what's really holding things together. The quiet work of people who don't wait for permission to care.